First, we need to import a WebDriver from Selenium. From Selenium, import WebDriver. After importing the WebDriver, we need to create an instance of a WebDriver for a Chrome, for any browser, like for Chrome. Driver is equal to from WebDriver. We'll use Chrome. While creating the Chrome driver instance, what we need to do is we need to pass the Chrome driver path as an instance. So this is my Chrome driver path. I will just paste that path here. After creating a Chrome driver instance, we need to create a. We need to tell the driver to open a website. So driver.get. Here we need to provide the URL of the website that we need to open. So this is the URL of the website that we need to open. After opening the website, what I need to do is like I need to tell my driver to maximize that window. After maximizing the window, what I need to do is I just need to print the title of the current website. Driver.title. After printing the current title of the website, I need to print the URL also, URL of the current website also. After doing both operations, I just need to close the driver. Save this, run this. So it is opening the Chrome. It is opening the website. It is printing the title of the website, and it is printing the current URL of the website, and it is closing the program.